Welcome back or welcome. Before we get into this week's video, I want to thank today's sponsor, Teemo. They reached out to me with something that's actually kind of a great deal, and I don't say that lightly. For all orders, Teemo is offering $20 off your order of $20 or more. It's simple, no requirements, no hoops and loops to go through. They gave me a code for you guys too. DXR7565. The way it works is super easy too. You just gotta download the Teemo app from the App Store, open it up, type my code in, DXR7565. And it'll pop up. Your $20 coupon is automatically applied when you enter the code, so nothing else to do. Now here's the part that surprised me the most. If you pick something that costs $20, you're only paying $1. That's it. That's crazy. That's basically free. Teemu also puts together a list of items that qualify for your discount. It's a mix of practical things, fun things, home appliance things, you name it. This is a few of the things that stood out to me, and I actually ordered them, so we're gonna review them. I got them. Car cover, socket set, my air filter. I know what's first. Well, technically both. This is a 53-piece, 1/4 inch socket set. Look at that. Nice. Now my new air filter that we are gonna be installing. I had to get a purple one. Now this clamp requires a Phillips head, so look at that. We're gonna use this one, and let's hope the one in my car is also Phillips head. So this one is a flathead, but it's a good thing that it's also included in our socket set. Yeet! Time to switch to our Phillips head. Come on, get in the hole. Oh, she's a big thick. She got some leverage. Since we had some leverage, took out the old molding from this, threw it in here.
Nice.
Lube her up. After much struggling later, we got it fitted. Adapter's in, hose clamp is around. Now let's tighten this baby. She's on, and honestly, it pulls my engine bay together a lot more. Now the real test. Let's see how it sounds when I start the car. All warmed up, you ready to hear a roar? Nice. I'm impressed. Thank you, Teemo. All right. We got one more product to try out, and thankfully we're all done for today, so it's the perfect opportunity. As you guys know, winter in the Northeast isn't too kind to cars. So I got myself a car cover for the Miata. Let's see if it fits. They didn't have one specifically for the Miata, but I kind of took a guesstimate and said it was like the same size as a small hatchback. Even if it doesn't fit on the Miata, we got a car cover for the TI. Covers the whole front, but yeah, it covers the whole of the car. It's perfect. Nice. And that's reviews. So before we get into the rest of the video, hop onto Teemu, enter my code DXR7565 and get $20 off your order now. All right, let's get into the video.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Now to fix the actual problem with my car, the clutch. Well, master and slave replacement. First things first, gotta jack it up.
Does it look good, Miata girl?
Jack it down, you need to push it in a little more. Ow. Dumbass. I'm a dumbass. Oh my god, that's fucking annoying. Sick. You're so nasty. Whew. All right. Let's see if I have any fluid left.
It's full.
Oh yeah, it's still full. We gotta drain her. Got my favorite tool. Imagine, like the dentist.
Why would you ever do that? That's, you know how much brake fluid's been ran through that thing?
That's why I didn't actually put it in my mouth.
You know the name of the tool? Come on, you got this.
Fluid sucker thingy, majig.
Close, vacuum bleeder.
We're gonna stick that little tube in. I'm gonna stick it all the way so I don't have to push it down more. You ready? Bleeder dry. Got my flare knot wrench.
Flare knot. I was low-key hoping that would happen. Alright, be back when Kai gets it off.
I got it. Look at that. Nice. The other side of the clutch line. So we pulled the clutch line through. It's still good as far as we know, so we're just gonna leave it off to the side for now. I need an extension. Yeah, let's try this again.
Nice.
Yay.
Kai. When we did our parking lot slave change, I remember the bolts being a little sketchy, so I'm taking them out. Hopefully.
He gets a little antsy when I put him on camera, dude, so we gotta put him to work somehow.
I got the clip off.
Oh, see? Here she is.
All I know, Kai, is that when we bleed it, I'm pumping it.
Okay.
A mess.
Everything that needs to come out is out. Now to show you the new. And Chase, with the great set of hair from Chase Bays, is kind enough to send me a clutch line. First Chase Bays part on the Miata, oh my god! Ah!
Do you feel special or something?
I do. Put on your Blink 182 balloon, shut up. You gotta bench bleed first. If you don't know what bench bleeding is, it's when you fill the master with fluid before you even install it. Basically, give or take. Doctor, you wanna explain the process?
We're gonna put fluid in the res. We're gonna take a screwdriver. We're gonna pump the piston until fluid comes out of here, and you should hear the air, you know, doing it. Okay, Kai.
After much squirting later.
Just make sure the plunger is in the hole. Kai, I'm gonna put the slave on. Assemble time.
Little hands had to be called to help. Point her up. Screw that in by hand first. And then...
Kai, you have to tighten that as hard as you can.
Good. Don't listen to that. Yeah, that's good.
If it doesn't feel like it's gonna break.
Okay. So we are gonna snake this bad boy right behind.
Wrong already. Wrong already. Wrong.
Right behind.
Correct. Good job, Kai. Pull it to the floor.
Yeah. Filled up. Time to bleed her. I'm on pump duty. Jordy's on cracking duty. He's pretty good at that. Pumping. Pumping.
Pump it,
Pumping.
Pump it up. Pump it, pump it up.
Pumping. Holding.
Keep pumping.
Pumping.
Hold it.
Holding.
How's it feel?
Hold it.
Like I'm riding a horse.
Hold it.
Sick! I have a clutch again! Turns out it was just a system, not my clutch. So I got some life in it still. If you guys remember, we did adjust the clutch underneath the dash, so it has a little play. I have to tighten that up someday. Not right now, but it feels good. One last thing to fix. My bushing. So first things first. Ugh. Oop, limp, limp. 1, 2, 3, all 10s. Boop. Easy peasy. Oh, not easy peasy. Switching spots to see if Jordy can shove that bush in there. By God, I think he's done it.
I got it. I did it!
I've got this.
Let me get those bolts that are behind you.
Tucking it all nice and pretty.
Yeah, I'm making sure it goes in every gear. Feels a lot tighter, yeah.
Yeah? Turn it on and see how it idles.
Way better.
Nice. It's actually staying still. How's my clutch feel?
Good.
Nice. Today feels like a total win. I fixed 2 problems on my car that you guys noticed. Thank you guys for pointing it out.
My bad.
The real test.
It's icy.
Taillights are still for sale, by the way.
This thing, I'm
Safe to say the clutch works.
I'm curious if the clutch if the master's been bad for a while.
Does it feel a lot better?
Oh, it feels way better.
It might have been then.
Yeah, it feels good. I mean, it ain't bad. You saw I just beat the shit out of it.
Is that you?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Stunt double.
Get out of it.
Yay, my car works. We gotta clean up. So the reason why I was rushing, not really rushing, but trying to get my car ready, because I do have one last private day. I managed to squeeze it in. It's next week. Not next week video-wise, but I'm super excited. It's gonna be a fun time. Brian's going with Noah. Noah's gonna drive the G. Maybe Jimmy will come. I got 2 of my girlfriends going.
Front Street Dad, Front Street Josh.
Yeah, Front Street team. It's gonna be a great time. So yeah, I'm very happy. Today was very successful. Thank you again to everyone who bought Jordy's merch. It's processing and will be out to you guys soon enough. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week for more adventures.